Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we're going to be using the Detail Studio Blackout. It's an excellent ready-to-use dressing for vinyl, plastic, and rubber. Today, I'll be using it on my tires to show you. It's super easy to use, so let's get into it. So one last final thing I'm going to do here is actually take some of the Detail Studio Blackout, and this is essentially like a tire shine, trim dressing. It just really makes it look good. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the product, kind of doesn't really take much at all, and I'm going to start working it into the tire. So you can see it's already giving it a high gloss finish and it's looking really good. That little bit is going to do this entire tire. It's really crazy how little product you need to get it onto the entire tire, and I'm sure I could even do the second tire with it as well. So that looks really good, and you want to let it sit for about 5 to 15 minutes, but honestly, with how smooth it went on there, I'm just going to let it sit there and then not buff it off. But if you really want it, after 5 to 15 minutes, you can buff it off. All I'm going to do is just get the excess, if I got any, onto the actual wheel and just take that off. So check this out, the Detail Studio really makes the car look good. So the tire shine on here makes the tires look black. They almost look brand new and wet, but really they're just, you know, they're dry, and it really can be deceiving, but they look so good. It's a really nice deep black finish, and I think it really makes the car look good. You know, I would even say, of everything you could do, if you could take a dirty car and just do one thing, you know, not like a full wash, just one thing, I would say you have to do tire shine. I think tire shine really brings out the glossiness in the paint as well. So it's really awesome. But other than that, if you enjoyed the video and want to see many more just like it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because we're going to have a whole lot more on the channel. And while you're at it, go ahead and check out Detail Studio. They've got a whole bunch of cool products, and they really are just a good company. But other than that, we'll see you in the next one.